First, open Adobe Illustrator and create a new document. We'll work with basic shapes, colors, and text. Let's start with a circle. Select the ellipse tool from the toolbar, click, hold, and drag to draw a perfect circle by holding Shift while dragging. Next, let's add another shape. Click the rectangle tool, and again, click and drag a smaller rectangle directly on top of the bottom half of the circle to give our design some dimension. Now, add some color. Select both shapes by clicking and dragging over them and head to the color panel. Change the fill color of the circle to a vibrant blue and the rectangle to a darker shade of blue. Time for text. Select the type tooltip from the toolbar. Click on the artboard and type your brand or company's name. Use the character panel. Increase the font size and change the font to make it more legible. Choose a font that complements your shapes, maybe something modern and clean. To position your text, select the selection tool and you can move the text by left-clicking and dragging where it looks best relative to the shapes we made. Make sure the text is easy to read. And there you have it, a simple, visually appealing logo created using basic shapes, color, and text. You can experiment by adding additional shapes or changing color. But remember that the best brands often stick with simple but memorable designs, and you've just created a start to your own.